I'm feeling amazing. I mean, like top of this world because when you actually work for something and you get it, I mean, that is something that you cannot express in words, like what it is about. I am a kind of person who likes taking challenges in life. I don't like easygoing life. You should have something happening, where you are being challenged every now and then and you are supposed to prove what you can do.
Hey everyone, our guest today is Jinisha from Bhopal who has just been placed at one of the big fours. Full of confidence and determination, she says spirituality helped her in her CPA journey. Let's get to know more about her. Jinisha, tell us about your CPA journey.
When I was beginning it, I honestly had no clue. I heard that it is one shot go, 4 papers, and you are a CPA. I had interest, I had confidence, and I had determination, which were there along with me throughout my journey. And today I am a CPA. It distinguishes me from every other finance professional that we have. There we have n number of finance professionals, and I am a distinguished different person as a CPA.
I mean, that's really inspiring. So, was accounting always your thing?
Accounting was always mine. It was always on the tip of my fingers. Like, मुझसे तुम कुछ भी कभी भी पूछो, I am like aware, like कोई भी concept. So yeah, accounting has been one of my favorite subjects, right? And I always wanted to end up somewhere where I'm doing something in the field of accountancy. So that's why I didn't go for CFA also. I opted CPA because it's core accounting.
The interview must have been really easy for you.
It was pretty amazing. What is my case is I have been a public speaker from the beginning. So I never have this fear of speaking in front of someone or, giving interviews. Only thing I get anxious about is what the other person is going to ask and if I'm not won't be able to answer it or not. Baki, otherwise, it was pretty good. In EY, they first, they try to know how good you are in, expressing yourself. So they ask you to take you through your CV or something, and then they'll just ask you technical questions. They're just basic concepts. In all the interviews I've given, they just ask the basic concepts.
Did you prepare for your interview in any way?
Okay, so that's one thing. I never prepare for interviews. It makes me more anxious. I am confident about my concepts. Like I know accountancy, I know taxation. I have studied it. I've given the exam. I've passed, so I can clear it out.
So, from this interview experience, what are the top 3 things that you've learned?
First thing is you need to know about the company that you're going to get interviewed from. Okay, like which company is going to interview you. They actually ask you, what do you know about us? Tell something about us. We want to know. So that's one basic question that is constant all the time in all these. Second thing is that you need to know about the position you're applying for. So, in CPA also when we are applying, we have various positions. We have assurance positions, we have a position for auditing, we have position for tax. So if you're going for tax and you don't know about tax, that is a big turn off for them also, like what is this? And third thing is you need to have a very calm mind.
Yeah, being calm I think is very important. Earlier when we spoke, you mentioned about spirituality. So how has that helped you?
Spirituality helps you to align yourself towards the focus that you have in your life. Maybe whatever goal that you have, small or big, doesn't matter. It helps you to stay focused. It helps you to keep yourself aligned. When you are anxious with all that ifs and nots, you just don't do what you're supposed to do today. You're not living your present. You're just worrying about something that has not yet happened. And you don't know how it is going to turn out to be, right? So just to, calm myself, I get into these spiritual activities. No matter whatever religion you are in, you have a hope in religion, right? They give you a hope. So you just need to focus, like whatever you're doing, you just need to give your best shot. Yeah, that's my mantra maybe of life, to just give the best shot in whatever you are doing.
What's your one top advice for people who are pursuing CPA?
Be determined. I would say determination is a key that I carry always. If you want something, कहते हैं ना पूरी कायनात लग जाती to just get you that thing. So that's the key, determination. So if you are determined, you want something, you will do anything that is there in the world to get that thing. So just be determined.
So many people gave interview for the same position. So, what made you stand out?
Everyone is very clear about the concepts. Everyone is on the same page. So what distinguishes you is they see a potential in you that you can take your position to a different level. I always tell people that I'm living my dream. This is something that I had in my mind when I was starting in, clearing my exam and getting into a Big Four. So I am living my dream.
We hope you enjoyed the episode. If you'd like to watch more such content, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next episode.